Hello friends, I am Nitin. I am going to prepare paneer tikka. So for making paneer tikka, I have taken paneer which I have cut into large size cubes. I have taken onions which I have also cut into rectangular shapes. I have taken capsicum and I have taken tomatoes. So for tomatoes, you just need to remove its seeds and then use the outer shell of tomatoes. So the very main component of the paneer tikka dish is its tandoori marination. So we are going to prepare first tandoori marination. The steps for marination of paneer tikka is as follows. So for the marination of tandoori paneer tikka, we have to add mustard oil. Now mustard oil is very important for the pungent taste which you get in your paneer tikka. The second main important is you need to add curd to it. This is I have added curd to it. The third main important ingredient is this gram flour, and this is broiled gram flour. So the gram flour is very main important that it will hold the marination, the spices which you have applied to your paneer tikka. Now we have to add red chili powder, which is Kashmiri red chili powder, which is also be responsible for the color in your paneer tikka. Then we have to add salt to it, salt as per your taste. We are adding a little bit of turmeric powder. Now we are adding cumin powder. So these all are ingredients which are easily available at your homes, so that you can easily prepare with the available ingredients at your homes. So now we just need to do one thing. We need to whisk it properly, and as you can see, our tandoori marination for paneer tikka is now ready. So this is a quick recipe for your paneer tikka. Now this is your marination you are ready to use. Now as you can see the color of it. Now you need to add paneer to this marination. Your paneer to this marination, and now you can use your hands. You just need to rub all the sides of paneer with this marination. Like this, so that your marination easily coats all the side of the paneer. Like this. The same thing you have to do with your vegetables. So now it's time for your vegetables. So you just need to put all the vegetables in this marination. This goes for capsicum, and just fold it with your hands and just fold your vegetables in this marination. So these all are ready for final shallow frying your paneer tikkas. You just need to now as you can see, we have marinated our paneer and vegetables. So now we just need to place this paneer along with vegetables in wooden skewers or satay sticks, or you can take toothpicks as well if you don't have available any other items. So now we have marinated paneer, we have marinated vegetables. So now it's time for placing this marinated paneer and vegetables in sticks, or you can use satay sticks, you can use skewers, and no need to worry about if you don't have these things available with you. You can just take toothpicks, as it is easily available at homes. you don't need to unnecessarily go out to find your equipments, find your tools like skewers and all. You can just use your toothpicks to make bite-sized paneer tikkas. So just need to place them into this and just shallow fry them into grill pan or your normal pan. Now just take a toothpick. First place vegetables with it. First I am taking onion. Then I am taking capsicum. And then I am taking this cube of paneer. With this, the last I am going to put tomatoes in this. So you have to make your skewer like this and you can easily make your bite-sized paneer tikka. Now follow the same step for every cube of paneer you have. First I have taken capsicum, then I have taken onion, then I am taking the cube of paneer, and then I am taking tomato. Now you just need to repeat the steps for making your paneer tikka. So after placing your paneer and vegetables in this toothpick, your paneer tikka, bite-sized paneer tikka ready to shallow fry. So now we just need to shallow fry this and these paneer tikkas are ready to serve. So as you can see, after placing your paneer and vegetables in the toothpick, how tempting they are looking, and these are ready to shallow fry. So now just take a regular pan and add oil to it and let the oil heat up properly so that we can shallow fry our paneer tikkas, and just spread the oil all over the pan like this and just wait till the oil heated up, and then we are going to shallow fry our paneer tikkas. So now our oil is properly heated up. Now we just need to place paneer tikkas into the pan like this and just fry your tikkas in batches so that it can easily be friable from all the sides, so that easily we can fry this from every side. Now you just need to rotate your paneer tikkas properly so that it can easily be cooked from every side like this. So now it's time for the final presentation. As you can see, they are looking very tempting. So let's present this paneer tikka, bite-sized paneer tikka actually, in a very attractive and tempting way. So guys, this is our paneer tikka ready to enjoy. I am serving this paneer tikka with mint and curd chutney and lachha onion. This is lemon wedges. Hope you like the recipe, and I want to say you to try this recipe at your homes with limited ingredients available at your homes only. So thank you so much. Enjoy this recipe at your homes. Thank you so much.